Guys, have you ever looked at a brand new skyscraper and thought, how do these things come together from just a patch of dirt? Well, behind every successful build, there is a construction project manager. They steer the ship, manage teams, and juggle budgets. I'm engineer Vakas and I'm trainer for project management in Primavera P6 for last 7 years. On this channel, I'm sharing my insights with you. Today's video is your complete beginner's guide to become a construction project manager. If you love a challenge and want to see your work and take shape right in front of your eyes, this could be your dream career. We will walk you through every step from education to that first interview. You will learn a ton of new things whether you are starting from scratch or switching over from another field. And guys, before we get started, just a quick reminder, check the description for valuable links, free resources, and full details about my Primavera P6 project planning control training. You will not want to miss them. All the important links to watch, learn, and explore more are given below the video. But first, let me briefly introduce you to professional project management learning paths and how Primavera P6 plays a key role in real construction projects. Primavera P6 is widely used in construction, oil and gas, and infrastructure projects to manage schedules, cost, project controls, resources, end to end. And throughout this video, I will guide you on how you can build a strong career using Primavera P6 as a core skills. And now let's dive. What actually project managers do? Alright, my friends, let's start with basics. In short, construction project managers bring a team together to transform blueprint drawings into reality. But they are not just giving orders, they are planning every step, solving problems, and coordinating the workers. A typical day of the manager usually involves reviewing project plans, drawings, construction documents. They also often estimate cost, set schedules, or select milestones and subcontractors. In this job, communication is a huge skill. Folks, you will negotiate with vendors, suppliers, update clients, and tackle problems on site area. Most importantly, you are holding the responsibility for safety. That means making sure everything complies with industry standards, local building codes, and that your team are working safely. But guys, this job is not just about organization. You need to think strategically, delegate, motivate, and adapt fast if things change. One day you might be crunching numbers, and the next you are brainstorming creative solutions when deliveries run late. Here is a fun fact, my friends. With new infrastructure projects and steady real estate growth, the need for skilled construction project managers is higher than ever. So if you are looking for a mix of office time and on-site action, this role is hard to beat. All right, my friends, if you're getting excited about this field, you are probably wondering, how do I actually become a construction project manager? Let's break down the complete roadmap from beginner to professional level. First of all, education. Most construction project managers start with a bachelor degree. The most common majors are management, civil engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, or architectural. This is where you learn stuff like structural design and building codes, road construction methodologies, piping, fabrication, and all that. Guys, these are real world skills you will use every single day. And I know you guys, 4 years in the classroom might sound like a lot, but hang on. Some companies consider candidates even with 2 years of experience, but they must equip with the skill. For those looking for a shortcut, there is another path. People work their way up from hands on construction jobs starting with a high school diploma. But to be honest, this is getting less common as clients want project managers to have higher education oriented. And if you already have a degree in business or engineering, you can significantly boost your profile by learning Primavera P6 project planning, scheduling, EOT, delay analysis, and claims management, which is exactly what modern companies demand. Next, my friends, you will need hands on experience. Most future managers start as assistant engineers, project engineers, or site engineers. Here, where you learn the reality of the field. This is the period where you are getting used to solve real problems, and here is my advice for you. During these early years, notice everything you learn. Track your experience with cost estimation, scheduling, and contract administration. This will fill up your resume and help you to qualify for your first official management job. Now, guys, let's talk about certifications and professional skills. This will seriously help your resume stand out. Learning industry skills like Primavera P6, understanding project controls, preparation of project dashboards, reporting, and applying schedule logic can fast track your career as a project manager. And remember that continuous learning will help you keep climbing the ladder. If you want structured guidance, real project based learning, and step by step Primavera P6 training, check the links in the video description where I have shared complete details. And guys, before we continue, I'm happy to share my insights with you. And all I ask in return is that you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content related to project management, construction management, Primavera P6, and oil and gas industry. Thanks. So now let's fire up the imagination for a second. You have earned your degree, stacked up few years on the field as a project engineer, and you learn professional tools like Primavera P6. First, you will usually enter the field as a project engineer, site engineer, field engineer, or assistant project manager. In these early jobs, you will be partnering closely with seasoned managers, learning how projects come together. After you are comfortable juggling tasks and people, my friends, you will step up to junior project managers or project coordinators. Here you will start running small projects or major tasks within larger construction projects. You will be meeting with subcontractors, problem solving daily issues, and taking responsibility for cash flow and timeline and adjustment of resources. Once you have had some small victories, you will finally become a project manager. You will lead the project from start to finish. This includes hiring subcontractors, guiding teams, and keeping client happy. Additionally, you will be responsible for profit and losses. But guys, it doesn't have to stop there. Ambitious project managers move up to senior project managers, project directors, construction operation managers. These roles demand strong planning, reporting, and control skills, exactly where Primavera P6 expertise gives you a competitive edge. Alright, my friends, let's break down the must have skills that everyone in the industry is looking for. First of all, leadership is everything. You are coordinating teams, resolving conflicts, and steering up everyone towards the same finish line and targets. Communication is right up there. Two, you will be talking with architect, engineer, site people, client, consultant. Clear reports, concise emails, and professional project schedules created using tools like Primavera P6 will set you apart. Next, guys, you should understand scheduling and budgeting. Mastering Primavera P6 helps you to control timeline, resources, cost effectively. Mistakes here can cost millions, so attention to detail is a key. Safety is another huge aspect. Construction sites are risky places, and as the manager, you are the watchdog. Finally, don't overlook negotiations and networking. Your ability to build relationships and present project data professionally will move your career forward. Is being a construction project manager worth it? Alright, guys, let's wrap it all up. We have looked at the roadmap, starting with education and building your experience way up through hands on roles, learning skills. There is a clear path, real growth, potential, and strong demand across construction and infrastructure projects. This job is about leadership, creativity, and satisfaction of seeing the real impact of your work every day. Sometimes it can feel tough, but for those who have a passion for building and managing projects, it's truly rewarding. So, if you are up for the challenge, construction project management could be the blueprint to a fulfilling high impact career. And if you want to accelerate this journey, learn Primavera P6 with a practical project based approach and access valuable resources. Check all these links in the description below. All right, my friends, that's all about my construction project management roadmap. Don't forget to watch this video detail section for valuable links. And if you want to join this upcoming live free masterclass, you must fill the comment section area. My team is going to approach you and provide you all those links. See you in my upcoming live free masterclass, in which I'm going to share with you project manager, construction manager roadmap in only few years.